सो व्यूअर्स, असम हायर सेकेंडरी टेट 2020 का ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन आ चुका है। तो चलिए दिखते हैं इस वीडियो में। इस चैनल में आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स क्रैक करने का टिप्स, ट्रिक और नॉलेज मिलता रहेगा। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन को दबा देना। Assam Higher Secondary TET 2020. Secondary Education Department Assam has released the official notification of Assam Higher Secondary TET 2020. Interested and eligible candidate may apply online for Assam HS TET at ssa.assam.gov.in starting from 20th December 2020. Next, Assam Higher Secondary TET is usually conducted for the recruitment of postgraduate teacher against the vacant post in Provincialized Higher Secondary School of Assam. Secondary Education Department, Assam going to conduct the HS TET, that is Higher Secondary TET, tentatively on 10th January 2021. Name of exam is Assam Higher Secondary Teachers Eligibility Test 2020, conducted by Secondary Education Department, Assam. Date of exam is 10th January 2021 tentatively. Application mode is online. TET score validity is 7 years. Age limit. Age of the candidate must not be less than 21 years of age. Application fee for Assam HS TET 2020. General candidate application fees is Rs 500. For SC, ST, OBC, MOBC and PWD candidate it is Rs 300. Structure and syllabus of Assam Higher Secondary TET. The examination shall be for 200 marks with 2 papers, paper 1 and paper 2 of 200 multiple choice question, each one of them carrying equal marks. First it is paper 1 common to all candidates, and paper 2 it is option A is commerce, option B science, option C general studies and current affairs. Candidate has to choose their option for paper 2, social category etc. with utmost care. Change of option and caste once selected will not be allowed to change in subsequent stage at any cost whatsoever. Assam HS TET 2020 qualifying marks. To qualify in TET examination, the candidate must score at least 60% marks in each paper. However, 5% relaxation in marks will be given for candidates belonging to reservation category. Validity of Assam Higher Secondary TET certificate. All candidates who pass the TET will be awarded a certificate. The validity of the certificate shall be for maximum period of 7 years from the date of issue of the certificate by the empowered committee. The key point of Assam Higher Secondary TET exam. As per the aforesaid service rule, in addition to such academic and professional qualification mentioned in the schedule for direct recruitment to the post, all candidates shall have to appear and pass in the TET conducted by the government, scoring minimum 60% marks in case of general category candidate and minimum of 55% marks in case of SC, ST, OBC, MOBC and PH candidates. Second key point, it is B.Ed degree received from off-campus center or unrecognized institution or universities shall not be accepted. And third key point, it is degree means master degree, no equivalence shall be allowed. That is, you must be master of arts or master in commerce or master in science. Steps to apply for Assam Higher Secondary TET 2020. Eligible applicants interested to appear in Assam Secondary TET must apply in online mode only at the official website of http://ssa.assam.gov.in from 20th November 2020 to 30th November 2020. After entering into the site, scroll down, go to important web links section. Second, click on the online application link. Next, a new web page will be displayed. Enter your personal and educational details, pay the necessary application fee, and finally submit your application. Important dates of Assam HS TET 2020. Opening of online application form is 20th November 2020. Last date of submission of online application form is 30th November 2020. Last date of fees payment is 3rd December 2020. And date of examination is 10th January 2021. Next, to download the Assam HS TET 2020 notification, click the link given in the description box. For online application, the link is given in the description box, and for downloading the syllabus of Assam HS TET 2020, this link is also given in the description box. And for official website, click on https://ssa.assam.gov.in.